What will be the content and scope of a Charter on Rights of Whistleblowers that you are advocating?
As I explained in my reports to the General Assembly on this issue, on the issue of the right to access to information and the defense of those who divulge information that we have a right to have, well, first of all, a safe channel. They must have a safe channel to pass this information. Secondly, if they are identified, if the source is divulged, if they are discovered and a criminal proceeding is opened against them, then what is indispensable is that the code of procedure of the courts, that the penal code have a bis article, an addition saying if the motivation for the divulging of confidential information was to inform the public about something which the public had a right to know, then there is an absolute defense. The whole case should collapse. But there should also be gradations, because I'm not saying that every leak is legitimate. I mean, there are leaks that can be very damaging. If you recklessly divulge information and the result of a leak is that people are going to die, or that people are going to suffer, well, I am not giving a carte blanche to all kinds of leaks or to all whistleblowers. But when, as we have seen in the case of Edward Snowden or in the case of Julian Assange, what they do has redeeming social value, they're doing something for us, then the law must protect them. And they should not be subjected to defamation. They should not be subjected to mobbing, as of course Julian Assange has been subjected to. There's been character assassination. There should be provisions against this character assassination of persons like Snowden and Assange, and they should be able to get compensation for the violation of their privacy, for the violation of their human rights. And right now they are essentially unprotected. There is no provision that specifically recognizes the status of a whistleblower. That, of course, is for us lawyers to draft. I mean, I have not yet been asked to draft model legislation on whistleblowers. If I were asked to write model legislation, I would do so. And I have proposed it to the Special Rapporteur on freedom of expression. And he's going to be here presenting his report on the 25th of June. And I hope to be able to meet him and continue the conversation on this issue.